Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Myself Sahil, studying in SVCE College of Engineering, Bangalore, from Department of Computer Science and Engineering, and I am currently pursuing in third semester Chanakya section, course code BCS 304, course title Data Structures and Applications, topic Teaching Data Structures Using Competitive Games. Introduction. This paper describes a project for data structures courses based on the concept of competitive programming. In the project describes in this paper students write code that is the artificial intelligence for the computer to play a game. The introduction of a competitive aspect to the assignment greatly increased student motivations and provides a useful form of evaluation. The contribution of teaching data structures using competitive games, a learning method called competitive programming that uses computation during an assignment to increase student motivation. A detailed description of a project for an introductory data structures courses that combines competitive programming with game development. Moving on to background. In this course, students are exposed to fundamental programming constructs such as lists, stacks, queues, and trees. There has been extensive work on creating tools for visualizing data structures to promote learning, and many such resources are available on the internet. By mastering these data structures, students lay the groundwork for effective problem solving and software development in advanced courses and professional work. Visualization tools for enhanced learning. In recent years, there has been extensive work on developing tools that help students visualize data structures, significantly enhancing the learning process. Many resources are available online that offers visualization of data structures, such as interactive platforms, diagrams, and animations. These resources are invaluable for students as they help in bridging the gap between theoretical understanding and practical implementation of data structures in programming. Next, we can see project overview. This slide structures expands on the key elements of the paragraph, breaking it down into more detailed explanations. Overview of the capstone project. The capstone project is the final and culminating assignment at the end of the data structures course. It challenges students to apply the programming and problem solving skills they have learned throughout the course. This project typically spans 3 weeks, giving students sufficient time to engage deeply with the problem and design an effective solution and implement their ideas in code. Game intelligence implementation. The objective of the project is to have students develop code to implement games intelligence for a board game. Specifically, the students write algorithms that determine the actions their program, known as a bot, will take in response to game events. This requires not only understanding the mechanics of the game but also applying principles of data structures and algorithms to create an effective decision making a system. Moving on to student requirements, project setups and resources. Students are provided with a detailed listening of the game, rules for critical mass and specific rules for the competition to guide their development process to ensure uniformity and compatibility during the competition. C++ template code files are supplied. This approach guarantees that all student submissions are there to a common structure, allowing for smooth integration of their code into the computation environment. Next, we can see debugging and generalization. In addition to the template files, students are also provided with a cmconsole.cxx file, a key resource that allows them to test their code by applying the game in human versus computer mode. This feature is invaluable for debugging as students can directly observe how their bot behaves in real time, identity bugs or logical errors, and refine their code accordingly. Although the provided code is specific to critical mass, it is designed to be straightforward to generalize for many board games. Moving on to overview of critical mass game rules. Critical mass is played on a 5x6 board of squares. All pieces within a single cell must be of the same color. This figure shows student mind screen on computation server. Game controller code. Once the game is complete, the result is saved in the database as a game string. The script replaces player 1 and player 2 with the respective students' names and compiles the file, initiating and the game execution. The PHP scripts then displays the result and the students can view the replay. Clicking the game number allows retrieving the game string and applying playing the moves via a Java applet with options to adjust the replay speed. Conclusion. The conclusion suggests that introducing interactive computation during an assignment rather than after its completion leads to greater student effort and satisfaction. This approach motivates students to actively engage with the project and apply their skills more throughoutly, as the competitive element encourages them to improve their performance throughout the assignment. As a result, students are more motivated to learn, feel more involved, and generally have a better experience with the course. This method can be adapted to any course that allows for the development of a competitive project. Thank you.